Good morning everyone. I am Ritika from AIDS department. Today I am going to explain about experiment 3 multilayer perceptron on nonlinear separable data. For first I am going to explain about objective of the experiment. The objective of this experiment is to implement a demonstrative multilayer perceptron model to solve a nonlinearity separable classification problem, specifically using XOR logic gate as the example data set. XOR is a classic problem that is used to demonstrate with the values and why it cannot be separated using a single straight line, which makes it a great taste to of a learning and capacity of an MLP. And the next one I'm going to explain is about program implementation and the execution result. The program implementation of a single multi-layer perceptron MLP in Python using a NumPy to solve the XOR classification problem, which is a classic problem example of a nonlinearity separable dataset. Initially, the XOR table and corresponding outputs are defined using the NumPy arrays. The architecture of the MLP consists of two input neurons, neurons in the hidden layer, and one output neuron. The weight connecting to the layers initially randomly. The model uses the sigmoid activation function to introduce nonlinearity, which is essential for solving nonlinear problems like XOR. During the transferring problem, the problem performs forward propagation to calculate output at each layer, followed by back propagation to complete gradients and update the weight using gradient descent. This process is repeatedly over 10,000 iterations, which is the lowest error being recorded at each step to monitor the model learning progress. The training loss is then plotted, showing a smooth downward